How to optimize and boost your PC for gaming and high performance. Let's go. I show you a few steps you can do to optimize your PC. Follow all steps to get the best results. Step 1. Go to the search bar and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and press enter. Enable adjust for the best performance, click apply and then OK. Step 2. Go to the search bar again and type in defragment and optimize drivers and press enter. Select all drivers and click on the button optimize. Step 3. Go to the search bar again and type in disk cleanup and press enter. Select everything and click on the button clean up system files, then on OK and delete. Press Ctrl plus Shift and Escape to open the task manager. Go to the startup tab and disable everything to get a clean Windows start. Step 5. If you use Discord, open it, go to the settings, scroll down until you see gaming overlay, click on it and turn it off. Step 6. If you use Steam, open it, click on Steam and then on settings, go to in-game and turn overlay off. Step 7. If you have a good monitor but the game looks not so smooth, go to the search bar and type in change the resolution of the display, or just type display in the search bar to get this option as a result. After opening, click on advanced settings and select the highest refresh rate available here. Step 8. Go to the search bar again and type in game mode settings. After opening, enable game on. Go to the game bar and turn it off. Go to captures and then click on graphics settings and turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Step 9. Go to the search bar and type in notifications, then turn them all off. Step 10. If you use an Nvidia graphics card, right click on your desktop, open the Nvidia control panel. You can also find it by searching for it in the search bar. Click on adjust image settings with preview and select let the 3D application decide. If you made a mistake or you just want to reset everything, go to manage 3D settings, click on the restore button and then on OK. After finishing all the steps, your PC should run better with higher performance also in gaming. Thank you for watching and see you next time.